everyone, I'm going to make a beautiful pillow cover today for my bed, and I will show you how easily I can cut and stitch this decorative piece. My pillow is of 26 cm into 40 cm, and I am going to use polka dots white cloth and some black cloth to make this pillow cover, and I have chosen frill design. Since it is 26 cm wide, I'll add a 5 cm more, so this width will be 31 cm in total. Since 40 cm was the length, so I'll add up 3 cm each side, 43 cm, 43 cm, and then a 14 cm more to this cloth. So it will total as to 100 cm. I'll just cut from here, and my main cloth for the pillow will be ready. After this, I am going to take 4 strips, 2 polka dot white strips which will be of 16 cm into 25 cm, and 2 black strips which will be of 14 cm into 25 cm. The length of both of these strips will be same. Now I am going to fold both the ends of my bigger cloth. A small fold will be made, and then the ends of my 4 strips. I'll fold it and show it to you. Now I have stitched both the ends of my bigger cloth and the ends of my 4 strips. I'm going to place my strips on top of my pillow. I'll take the 16 cm wide strip first, and then a 14 cm black strip on top of it. On the left side, I have left approximately 8 cm, and then I have put on this strip, the biggest one, 16 cm wide strip. In the middle of that strip, I am going to start my stitching. First a normal one, and then I will start like folding it like this in the middle and making frills. Just make random frills, no need of any symmetry. Stitched this white polka dots one. Now I'm going to take this black strip and going to make frills on top of this. I have stitched my first frill line here. Now I'm going to measure my pillow. It will be folded approximately here, and then I'll place my second frill line, leaving 4-5 cm at the end. I have stitched both of my frill lines, and now I am going to put the back of my cover and fold it like this. We'll start stitching from this end. Pillow cover is ready now. You could see how beautiful it looks.